Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about aggregation, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, aggregation is a type of composition relationship between classes, where one class contains objects of another class. Aggregation is sometimes referred to as a has-a relationship because the whole class has objects of the part class as members. Unlike inheritance, which defines a is-a relationship, aggregation defines a more loose relationship between classes. Here is an example of aggregation in C++. In this example, the car class contains an object of the engine class as a member. The engine class is the part and the car class is the whole. The relationship between car and engine is an aggregation relationship because a car has an engine. When an object of the whole class is destroyed, the objects of the part class that it contains are not necessarily destroyed. The life cycle of the part objects is independent of the life cycle of the whole object, unless specified otherwise. This makes aggregation a more flexible and looser relationship than composition, where the part objects are destroyed when the whole object is destroyed. In C++, aggregation can be implemented either by having objects of the part class as member variables of the whole class, or by having pointers to the objects of the part class as the members of the whole class. The latter is referred to as pointer aggregation. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.